Alright, what's up guys? It's Eli Amelia and Isaac here from Keeping It Southern. Today we're here in Unicoi County, Virginia, or Tennessee, sorry. And we are at this like blacksmith reunion, I guess. But they're doing a bunch of blacksmithing down there on this farm, and they have buffaloes. They just happen to have buffaloes.
And I got hurt on this finger.
Aw. So these are the buffalo.
Don't get shot. Yes, that's a boy.
Who wants to go buffalo hunting?
Me. Bang. And that's, is that a cow? Is it actually a cow?
No, the white one's a longhorn.
It's not a cow.
Oh. Alright guys, so they also have peacocks here. We're going to see if we can find another one. We've seen 2 of them. I think they have 3 or 4, 5. We don't know. But they are right down here, so we'll film it soon.
Bye.
Alright guys, when we go back down there, me and Amelia are going to make fish hooks or a steak roaster or something. We're going to forge it on a blacksmith on an anvil.
Phil, you can make your...
No, you smuggling chips.
Huh?
I knew it.
I can
I
have it.
don't want it. I'm smoking.
I'm taking...
You want this?
Oh, I found a buffalo room. Oh, it's not a tasty cat. I'm playing it.
No, you gotta leave it here.
What is it?
You gotta
A buffalo room.
A woolly worm.
So even they Hey. Bye.
There's a peacock eating elderberries. I don't know if they can eat those or not.
They're probably not elderberries. I have a peacock feather because that give me this and
You found that.
And I hate those big ones because
You gave
them are
him this
too
big
big.
one.
You found that.
I found this.
Let me see it.
Bye.
It takes a few minutes of me standing here cranking this to get the fire going. It's a blower. So I'm cranking this, blowing air under the fire to get it good and hot.
He'll attack you. Yes, bruh. He's like a rooster.
I'm going to pull this fire up a little bit more. And when you put your metal in the fire, you're trying to heat up like the ends.
Leo taping.
So you want to make sure there's at least 3 inches of it that's right in the middle of that fire. Alright, I'm going to crank it up here. I'm going to let it flat. There's a little hot spot right there. A little sweet spot. We'll let that, you can leave it, you don't have to hold it there. Now, we're going to look at it. Alright, that's really hot.
Look here, Eli.
Bye.
Alright, you ready to hammer on it? Okay. Let's hold it. Pull it back and hold this up with this sort of flat. You can hold it a little bit further. Right in there. Just hit it flat. Take your time. That's it. That's alright. That's why you don't want to go fast. Take it. That was it. You're good. Take your time. Go ahead and get flat. See how the color has gone out of it? It's getting stiff. So now just go ahead and put it in the fire. You can hammer on it when it's cold like that, but you have to do a whole lot more work to get anything to burn. So what you try to do is, that's why you got to kind of have in your head what you want to do, and then you hit it, and when the color starts going out, try to remember, some people get focused on getting the job done and they don't realize when the color starts going out and you need to move it some more, go ahead and stick it back in the fire. You're just, don't forget the bird, hold it flat. There you go.
I want to see how much fun.
Very good, man. Very good. Go put it back in the fire. You're all right. Perfect timing. Kind of hard to tell. I got a little hot plate. Yeah, man.
Do you have like an angle grinder or something?
I do. Give me a second and I'll right here. I got a little cheaper. Alright.
Mom, my statue is lesson. And my statue
Slap.
lesson. My statue is lesson.
This way. Hit it back towards your hand. Hit it back this way. Look at that. See what I'm going to heat it, and then we're going to take this on around to this piece, touches right in there. Right? Tap it, pull it back together. There you go. Snap it down. Pick up this way. He's going to take it back.
Mom, do you want to take marshmallows?
Alright, we're going to leave it like that. Okay? I'm going to pinch just the end of it. There you go. That's good. And then come over here. Wrap it around the horn of the handle. Yep. That's alright. We'll straighten that out.
Wasn't it?
Right here. Hit it back. We'll straighten out that end. Alright, now see how that looks a little wonky? Alright, we fix that. I'm going to heat it up, and then they're using the vice. What I'm going to do is hold on to it, and you're going to turn it. Okay, with a pair of tongs. You just very carefully, because you're going to look towards it. See how it's kind of easy to move it? You can keep coming. A little more. A little more. That ought to do it about right there. Good. Now, we can heat it up again. Alright, and then we'll see how it's a little bit crooked?
Yeah.
You can heat that up and you can fix it in the vise. Or you can hold it down like this. Just kind of hammer the little high spots out of
I think
it.
that'd be easy.
This would be easier for everybody. That's the way I would do it. So we'll heat it up and I'll let you kind of hammer it so it's more level.
I'll just sit there.
Oh yeah, that's right. Real lightly. Very good. Alright, now if you want to,
Mom, it sounds like you know the
just a
country
little
sound
wider
like
right there, we can stick it back in the
on
corner.
the phone.
There's a vise and hold it like this.
And his head and
Even if you want to, make it more even. I kind of like it. Yeah, just stick it all the way to the bottom. Make sure there's just like That's it. Oh, he's already getting muscle memory. Look at that. Well, you made every lick on that one count. Good job.